We finished the evening in style, right?
Chanel and McDonald's.
McDonald's.
I feel like this is a usual. There she goes. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to the Bagista summer party and I'm gonna start my day very late with a decaf coffee because I'm an addict, we know that, and this is my new addiction. So guys, Bagista, you guys know it's one of my favorite pre-loved shops here in London and they invited me to a summer party. We got a special guest today as well. She's joining us later. And yeah, what can I say? I only know it's an evening filled with luxury bags, luxury cars and art. That's all I know. So I would say let's walk down there now, and it's beautiful. It's really, really hot today and I'm wearing a blazer. A bit too much, but it might get cold later, you never know. Okay, let's go. There she is.
I guess bubble tea. I was wrong.
But you know about my new addiction, don't you?
I do. Coffee at
show me.
7?
It's decaf. It's decaf. Here, proof. Show me your outfit. What are you wearing today? Oh, a jumpsuit. I was thinking about a jumpsuit, but then I thought it's too cold later. Maybe.
Okay.
Jacket, yeah. So I just found out I can make this at home. You told me.
Yeah. So you just buy this here. They sell them at, I don't know, if you're in the UK, Tesco, Sainsbury's,
and it's the
whatever.
official Starbucks
Yep,
stuff?
exactly the same one.
Oh, that's gonna be dangerous, guys. We just arrived and look at these supercars, and there it even says Bagista on there. Oh, you McLaren fan? No? Anything. So she's a big Formula 1 fan and she loves cars. Can you tell me anything about those cars, Patricia?
No, I can't really tell you.
McLaren.
No, Lamborghini.
Okay. Yeah, guys, so the first thing I always do is go to the bathroom to fix myself up. And I was just gonna show you, look at this incredible bathroom and how well my beauty goes with the interior decor. Okay, I would say let's go find our special guest. So we are in. It's loud, right? I don't know how I'm gonna be able to hear you. Lots of people here, amazing outfits everywhere. So I would say let's look at everything first. I can't wait. Let's just look at these bags here first. Oh yeah, we tried this one on once. Beautiful vintage jumbo. I feel like they just brought all their stock here to display it. I mean, that's a really, really nice idea. Can we see all these pretty bags? Look at that. So this is the beautiful little Chanel Rue Cambon. It's a vintage bag. I was actually once thinking about buying this. I love it. I still think it's a gorgeous piece. And look at this, Kelly. Oh my god. Wow. Vuitton pieces, guys. And multicolor. We all love multicolor, obviously. And look at this little half moon shaped bag. Old Louis Vuitton, modern Louis Vuitton. Lots of people already here. And look at this artwork. So it's all about art, bags and cars. Look at these beauties. Wow, Patricia just asked me how much money is that. I was like, maybe between 150, 200k. Just my usual. So look at the colors of these Kellys and Birkins. Oh my god, this little mini Kelly, incredible. I really like this mini color, it's gorgeous. Even this one. And guys, look at the Birkin 25. Is this actually rose gold hardware? I think it is. That is incredible. It's so rare. And wow. Yeah. I mean, that is eye candy, isn't it? Look at these ones. Wow. That is a vintage Kelly. Well, it's a Kelly kind of version, but oh, that is incredible, this little bag. I love Chanel Kelly bags. It's not the classic Kelly, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It just reminds me of that silhouette as well. There we have like two little minis with a top handle. But that is just incredible, isn't it? Look at this Ferrari. It's a Ferrari, right, Patricia? Right there. Yeah, I know. I just want to double check. And there, what do we have there? Bugatti. Ah, okay. Oh, we just tried this one on as well in the boutique. If you haven't seen my vlog yet, go and check it out. Bagista has such a beautiful little boutique. They reopened it only recently. And if you're in London, guys, definitely come here. But Patricia, tell me, what is this?
That's Coach. If you don't get the reference,
We do. Watch the wedding video. Watch the wedding video. But do you know what it is? Tell me, because Patricia doesn't know a lot about bags.
it's Hermes. And then
Hermes.
it's not a Kelly, but it's Birkin.
Yes. Can you tell me which size?
Oh no, 25?
35. Guys, look at this. So this is the bar and we got bags hidden everywhere. There we have a little classic flap. Oh my god, they even have the handbags here. How cute. And little vintage beauty. And another little mini. And I would say, let's go over there. So lots of little minis. And oh, that is the Funky Town one. And look at this beautiful pink. It looks a little bit purplish. It's actually baby pink. And look at this, guys. So here we have another little Louis Vuitton bag. And Supreme. Not my style, but a lot of people love it. Look at those old Louis Vuitton trunks. Wow. This is fashion history. It is hot, guys. It is very hot, right?
It is very hot.
And also Patricia and I, we went to film school together. And you should think that we know stuff about art, etc. But do we know anything?
No, art is an individualistic thing.
Here's the art that we were talking about. It's a really nice space, guys, I have to say that. It's a lot cooler up here than down there where everybody is. Okay, we have some Instagrammers over there. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's the kitchen I want. It looks good, right? Yeah. Perfect. And I don't know, maybe later on we can talk to some people and see what everybody's wearing. Because I've seen so many amazing bags already. Hi, I just met Sashula. You look amazing. Tell me what you're wearing today. Chanel. How did you get this beauty? Tell me. Because it's so hard. Yes.
Yeah, it's really hard.
It's really hard to get it.
15 years, I think.
Oh wow. My high heels are killing me. I'm not used to walking on high heels.
She's doing a great job.
But like, I feel like I'm losing my shoe every time. So, somebody's vlogging there. Patricia spotted her and I was wondering. Is that Steph? Yes, it's Steph. And here she is. Hi. Steph from Handbag Colleague. Of course, go check her channel out again. We did our amazing stuff.
Yes, we need to do that again.
Yeah, we need to do that again. Also, we need to do more London vlogs.
Yes, exactly.
And when BAGISTA invited me, I was thinking, who else can I get? And I was like, Steph. She would appreciate that. All the bags. So I need to get a drink. I have tell me I need to get Tell me what you're wearing today.
I have my Jackie Moose Bahia blouse,
Jackie Moose.
and some Zara trousers, and my khaki scene.
Oh my god, you need a close-up of that one. You know, I still want a mini, so
You need one.
I need one. I would like to have exactly this one, this size, with a python in the gallet color.
Yes.
That would be my absolute dream. I mean, wow. And you have the red one still as well, right? Steph just brought her friend Kate as well, and I mean, she looks amazing as well. What bag are you wearing, Kate? Tell me.
Well, this is actually Steph's bag that she's lent me.
Oh!
So I couldn't tell you exactly what it's called.
Oh!
But it's obviously Prada.
Yes.
It's still shopper's own from Prada.
Yeah, I love how the light reflects on it. It's so gorgeous. Cheers! My hero, I don't know how you did it, but she got us a drink. Cheers! They are even serving lobster. Well, I didn't expect lobster. It was good, right? God, we even have prawns. That looks so good. Here with Dominique, the commercial manager from BAGISTA, and he looks amazing. Tell me what you're wearing today.
So I'm wearing the road trousers, the road top,
Yes?
some nice sneakers, and Chanel Pedigree.
It's such a beautiful little bag. And that's blue, right? It's like a navy.
Navy,
Oh, really nice. My Krista and Oi, do you want to tell me what you're wearing, guys? Okay, vintage. That's amazing. Chanel earrings, let me focus in on them. They look so good. Show me your bags. Amazing. Chanel trainers. And your little Chanel watch. Oh, you're all dressed in Chanel.
For those of you that are listening, and not for those of you who are just tuning in,
Okay guys, it seems like they're keeping us out because they switched the lights on. I think it's over. We're gonna go to McDonald's now. Okay, that's what Patricia wants to take home. Okay, we finished the evening in style, right?
Chanel and McDonald's.
McDonald's.
I feel like this is a usual. There she goes. That's the advantage of having flats.
So this is how we end our day. And by the way, I feel like I'm healthy because this is like entirely plant-based. So it's basically a salad. Okay guys, so that was it. My feet are dying. However, it was such a nice evening, such a nice ending with our little McDonald's dinner. And yeah, I'm just walking past Harrods now. I'm gonna make my way home. Yeah, it was an interesting evening. I really enjoyed the BAGISTA event. If you enjoyed this video as well, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. I really lost my voice. And yeah, I see you again very, very soon. Bye!